Most people think how other channels are growing, but why my channel is stuck here. The secret here is not luck, it's a consistency. And I want to share how I applied same in my career, and I want to apply same in my YouTube journey as well. I'm pretty sure it would be useful to you as well. Please continue watch. You will understand many things in this video. Why consistency matters? Think about it. It's a coding, or even if you're going for one gym, your fitness, or cooking, or learning some new language. You cannot be pro within one day or the overnight. Small steps compounding into the big results. That's how YouTube also works. If you show consistency regularly, then your videos also will show to the other people. So that is how YouTube algorithm works. And I would like to share very popular idea, that is 21/90 rule. I am not very sure how many of you already aware of this. 21 means 21 days, 90 means 90 also days. Let me explain. Do something 21 days consistently, then your brain will accept it. Once you continue 90 more days, then it will become your lifestyle and it will be part of your life. I use same trick in my IT career. I daily prepared for coding rounds and I prepared for interviews, and finally it worked for me. So I would like to apply same thing for even for YouTube as well. Not only YouTube, anywhere you can apply, any business. Consistency really matters. Now I am applying same thing in YouTube next 90 days. Let's see how it works. Am I really going to do that? Is it really possible? Here actually my goal is not number of subscribers or number of watching hours. My goal is only 90 days consistently post some videos as per my plan. Let me explain my plan so that maybe you can also follow and it would be useful to you. Let's go for that. Create one video next 90 days, at least next 21 days, right? So my idea is, which if you talk to any engineer or any software engineer, so usually we have called sprints, iterations. Usually these sprints will be 2 weeks one time we'll have a plan. So if you apply same concept here also, like you should have proper plan, what kind of videos which you are going to do for the next 2 weeks, or at least for next 1 week, how many short videos which you are planning, what is the content, and how many long videos which you are planning, what's your content. Keep ready with those. Okay, once you have the content, record it and keep 5 short videos, 2 long videos. Keep it ready for the next week itself. That means that if you have some plan, then those videos should be available this week itself. Otherwise I'm pretty sure you cannot give you cannot pass in this 90 days challenge and you will regret it. So use this trick. Just plan well ahead, 1 week before, all you record everything. Keep use the YouTube schedule. If you don't know how to schedule YouTube videos, please let me know. I can share one small I can create one small short and you can schedule it each and every day. Each day you just put same day, same time each day. Just keep the consistency, just record it, edit it, and just schedule it. 3 steps: record, edit, schedule, and leave it. That's it. So every week you should be 1 week ahead before, then only you can be success this 90 days challenge. When you stay consistent, your subscribers also slowly it will grow. Not because of magic. Subscribers keep your trust on you and your channel. That really makes your channel grows secret. That is the real secret of your channel growth. Not only yours, any channel. It's not about viral your video one time. You have to maintain the consistency. That is going to happen. Actually, I watched many videos about monetization and how to complete this 4000 hours, how to get this 1000 subscribers. What I understand from many YouTubers in multiple languages, I watched English, Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, all the videos. Point is simple: consistency. Very simple. Before actually starting your YouTube channel, making sure that what is your goal. Goal in the sense, what is your interest basically. See, something like someone is talking about education, or someone is talking about cooking, or someone is doing some travel posts, traveling. No, you should not copy this someone's interest. You should have your own interest. Then you can make this journey happily. Always keep in mind 2 points. What is your interest? That is very important. If you have interest, if you passion on that, then it would be very easy to continue this journey. Otherwise you feel definitely very painful this journey, and you cannot continue more than couple of days, and you lose your interest. For example, someone is doing some cooking videos, or someone is doing some traveling videos, or someone is doing some educational videos. So they have their own passion, right? So that is the reason they could able to do it even very successfully from longer than more than years. So similarly, you also identify what is your more interested, and that should be useful to your career as well. Second point, for example, in my career, I am working as a software engineer, right? So as part of software engineer, I'll be learning couple of tools. I'm going to take couple of interviews. So when I'm learning something to teach someone, it would be helpful to my career as well. It would be helpful to my YouTube channel as well. So that is how you think. Whenever you're planning some channel, you should think two ways: how it will be useful to you personally to grow your channel. Second one is what is your career, right? In your career, how it would be useful to you, so that you never bother about subscribers, or you never bother about watch times. You will be enjoying the journey. Once you enjoy the journey, automatically you will give the best quality videos, and people love to watch, love to see you. So in this journey, I am planning to show how actually I am creating the thumbnails, how actually I am creating the script using AI tools, and using simple tricks. See, all these tricks, even I didn't identify anything. Again, I found all these tips from YouTube only. I am openly saying, I am not saying that this is identified by me, and I am the only person telling this. No, many people are telling already this. But the thing there is how we are teaching, and how we are explaining to others, that really matters. All the tips are common, all the tips are same. Any YouTuber will say same thing, but the point here is how they are teaching you, or how you are taking and how you are understanding, and at the same time how you are applying in your journey. That is very important. So if you also with me for your journey like coding, cooking, or anything, fitness, just plan this consistency. That is very important. Finally, again remember it: 21 days for habit, 90 days for lifestyle, and result will follow you. I am committing to this channel for next 90 days. Will you commit to your goal? Comment it, subscribe to my channel so that you don't lose any helpful tips. Thank you all.